Morning everyone, it's Ed at RU Cars. Today we've got this 2011 Ford Focus. This one's a 1.6 Tdci. It's the 115 bhp model. It's done 59,000 miles. It's finished in mustard olive with the black Pure-In interior. 12 services, absolutely immaculate throughout. Very well cared for. It's previously a Ford demonstrator, and then it's just had the one lady owner ever since. It's got the gloss black leather grills, the 18-inch 7-spoke alloys, and I think you'll agree it is absolutely mint. It drives without fault. Does have the rear park assist. Your reg number is there for any checks that you wish to carry out. Don't worry about this, we have got one on order. That will be changed by the 1st of September, I would have thought. All the tyres are good, the brakes are good. There's barely a mark on it. You will find one or two stone chips, obviously. But no dings, no scrapes. Just a super nice car. We'll show you inside. Begin with the boot. Good sized boot on the Focus. You do get folding rear seats. This one's all very clean. Even the plastic trim across the bottom here, look, is not scuffed. There's no funny smells, there's no signs of dog. We do have a parcel shelf, and we do have what Ford call a full-size spare wheel. As I say, that boot badge is on order. It may even arrive today. We thought we'd get it up for sale. This has got the Pure-In black cloth, which was another optional extra. It's all immaculate, all marked, with the Isofix, the centre armrest, and the rear electric windows. Obviously, we've got the same interior in the front. Tiny bit of wear on the driver's bolster, but nothing you shouldn't be expecting with a used vehicle. Folding mirrors as well, electric windows, electric mirrors. All super clean. We've also got multi-function steering wheel. I will just lower my seat so I can get in. There we go, I'm in. So yeah, we've got cruise control this side, audio controls and voice control this side, and then some more controls up the top. This one's got multifunction on multifunction, I think. Dual climate, heated screen. But let's just start her up so you can see there's no warnings or anything untoward. Fuel light is on. There you go, 59,570 miles. No nasties or anything like that. Oh yeah. Bits and bobs are in there. I was just going to try and do a system check for you, show there's no faults. All systems normal, there you go. In the centre we've got FM, AM, DAB radio. If I can figure it out. There you go, there's your DAB. We've also got the navigation. See the maps with that button there. Ta-da! Your CD, your auxiliary. Has Bluetooth audio as well. Not all Focuses have the Bluetooth audio. This one does. And then your standard Bluetooth phone. Icy cold aircon. Start, heated screen, heated rear screen. 6-speed manual box. Handbox in the glove box. And that is about it. I think you will agree, you're not going to find a better one than this. It is a little bit up on the price, but honestly, you will not be disappointed. This car is worth every single penny. Please do give us a call on 01509 267 111. We'll get you booked in for a viewing. Thanks for watching.